Hello, welcome back to the channel. As you can see from my dashboard, today is something of an anniversary for me and this bike. So we're going for a little ride to celebrate by telling you what's coming up on the channel in the future. And I'm going to let you know how it's going, the riding and YouTube. Stay tuned. Well, the video started off great, but then for some reason my camera decided to record no audio at all. All the other clips are fine, but the first one's got nothing. So lucky for you, you get the short version instead. This was a beautiful day in May. I've got the mesh jacket and shield trousers on for the first time this year, and the air feels beautiful. Today we're rolling over 10,000. No, not 10,000 subscribers, but 10,000 miles. I bought this bike from new and I did a few more miles on my CBT and direct access course. But apart from that, 10,000 is my count too. I took the full license so I could ride any bike later on, and I do sometimes wonder about a bigger bike, but I keep coming back to this one. I don't think I could sell it even if I bought another one. Now I'm looking to commute more to work in future, and I wondered about a maxi scooter like the Forza 350 for the convenience and speed. Has anyone got one of those or taken it on longer trips? I'd love to hear your thoughts. These 3 years riding have been a blast. I've had some great adventures and it's been fun to take you with me too. We've had some fun day trips like the Space Centre, the Motor Museum and Duxford. And some camping trips too, like Cheddar Gorge, and of course the big trip to France. Now I'm planning a quick camping trip to York at some point this year as well, so that'll be coming soon. Right, as the odometer ticks over to 9996, his microphone starts working again, so here we go. We're on 9996. This may be something for Dull Men's Club. Maybe a weird thing to get excited about. And even as we mention the Dull Men's Club, a banana appears on the left there for scale. Oh, what a beautiful day and a beautiful ride. Glad to have you with me. Nine, 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 nine. Hey, there we go, 10,000 miles. 10,000 miles is about halfway around the world, or Land's End to John O'Groats 32 times. Come to think of it, Charlie and Ewan probably do that every weekend. But to me it feels like a big deal and a nice milestone to be celebrated. So I'm going to enjoy my 10,001st mile. Here we go. My 10,001st mile, and it's a beauty. A warm day, feeling light, enjoying myself. Let's go that way. I mean, look at the blue sky and the green grass and the yellow flowers. Doesn't get much better. Yeah, and for me, part of the fun of the riding's been making these videos and sharing all these adventures with you, and making little videos about how to do things on the bike. So I thank you for watching. I tell you, the most gratifying, the nicest comments I get are from people who say, like, I have a bike but I've never done anything to it, and this was the first thing I did. I saw a lady posted last week to say tensioning the chain was the first thing she'd done on her bike, and thanks to my instructions it was a bit easier. So that's really gratifying. I love the thought that we could help people get started in DIY mechanics. It's been pretty fun to watch the subscriber numbers grow. It took like a year to get 1,000 and then 4 months to get the second 1,000, and I think we're about like 2,700 now. And talking to you all about bikes and maintenance and trips and fun has been a big part of it for me as well. Which brings us on to this. Isn't it time we met and hung out? I reckon Stratford's a nice central kind of place for anyone in the area. And if you know Stratford as a biker, then you certainly know this spot. Now, I've never so much as been to a meetup, much less organised one. So what do you think? We could meet here, go for a ride, meet somewhere else and ride here, or just sit on the lawn over there and have a coffee. Maybe in a few weeks' time, a couple of weekends. Put a note in the comments if you fancy it, or I'll put a little thing in the community post to let you know what's going on. It'd be great to see you there. I remember my first ever vlog being in Stratford a while ago. It seems like a long time now. The place is heaving today. It's a beautiful day. Okay, what's coming up on the channel? Well, I've got the chain and sprocket to change. I'll do that in a few weeks, I reckon. And the front brake pads coming too. I'm planning a trip for the summer to York, which is an old city that I love, so that'll be really fun. And I've had a few nice ideas from people in the comments, so do please let me know. Someone suggested beginner's riding gear. You know, not necessarily a review of all the kit manufacturers have to offer, because I don't know, people aren't sending me stuff, but just the basic categories. What do you need? What should you spend money on, and what shouldn't you spend much money on? That kind of thing. So keep them coming. Any ideas, I'd really appreciate it. Right, I'm going to go and enjoy my 10,012th mile in the sunshine. Have a nice day. See you all. Bye.